Hey guys, welcome! Thanks for coming back with me, and for those of you who are here for the first time, thanks for coming and feel welcome. Maybe you like my other videos, and if you do, please consider subscribing my channel. That would make me a very happy girl. Thank you. And today I'll be making some bijou. Well, it's another creativity stuff that I love doing. Now start with my artist earrings. Why do I call them artist earrings? Well, because they're for my daughter. She's an artist. She loves yellow. And I thought about making a pair of earrings out of a pencil and a pencil sharpener, in yellow of course. It should be quite easy and look amazing. Won't you try it also? I think it's fun. And for these, I used my bijou pliers and some wire and some earring stuff to put in your ears that I don't know how it's called, but I think you know what I'm talking about. I also used a needle that I heated in the fire to pierce through the pencil and through the pencil sharpener as well. This pencil is not a wood pencil, it's a flexible pencil. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but it's flexible and it's made out of rubber, and inside it has this graphite which is also flexible. So I'll be able to pierce into this with a hot needle. If you don't have such pencil, and if you're gonna use a wooden pencil, you should be able to pierce through it with a Dremel and you should be good. Then I grabbed my wire, I passed it through the hole that I made in the pencil. I'll make a hook to fix it to the earring thing. I use my round-tipped pliers, and there you go. Simple enough, huh? Now for the pencil sharpener. It was really easy to pierce it, but in the end I didn't use this hole that I made with the needle because it went off balance. When I passed the wire through this hole, it would bend forward and I didn't like how it looked. So I end up passing the wire in the front. It's not as aesthetic, but it really falls better. I made the same loop with the wire and grabbed it on the earring thing. I keep calling it earring things. I don't know how to call them. And I'm sorry, my shooting's kind of off camera sometimes because, well, I didn't do it properly. I'm sorry. I'm such a newbie. I hope you can forgive me. And it's done. They're cute. And now to the car earring. I found this car toy going through some old toy stuff. I don't know where it came from, but it's kind of cute and it's so light and it's yellow. So I had to make another earring out of it. This one is also for my daughter and maybe for myself if she lets me borrow it, because I love it. It's such a fun earring. I just pierced through the plastic of the car with the hot needle. It was quite easy. Then I inserted through the hole kind of bijou nail. I don't know how's that called, but it's a wire with an end to it that doesn't allow it to pass through the hole. I made a loop in the other end of that wire and grabbed it on the earring thing. Another really easy craft. And there you go, we got ourselves another earring. So cute. And now for the final and trickiest craft. I intended to turn this duck into a necklace pendant for my younger daughter because she doesn't have her ears pierced. She doesn't want to. And I knew I just needed some metal necklace and some wire. But this craft was kind of tricky because Mr. Duckley kept on falling over and bending forward, and I didn't want that because I couldn't manage to get him balanced. Well, but first things first. And first I cut the chain to the size that I wanted. And then I start passing the wire through the duck to grab it onto the chain. This part wasn't so difficult. The tricky part was when I wanted to give it a finishing, polish the finishing look of the wire around his neck. And I couldn't manage to balance it. It was just strange looking. It looked like I just hanged the duck. So I decided to take it all off. Well, I guess I'll just let you listen to what I was saying in the heat of the moment.
Oh, come on. Why are you doing this? Come on. Oh my God. You look like a hanged duck.
And I kept on fighting it.
Why such a long neck? You little birdie. Okay, let's cut it off. Let's take it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Come on. Oh, did I stab you? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. What did I do here? Staples. Okay, I don't want this. I don't want this. Let's start over. I got my necklace. I got my wire and I got my birdie. And I'm gonna do like the straps of a backpack. Here, like this. Maybe I'll need another bit of wire. I guess so. Okay. I'm gonna cut this bit. Oop. There we go. And then I'll pass it through here. Oops. It comes up there. All right. Okay. Like this. Right? Looking good, huh? Yeah. Alright. Need to balance its weight so it doesn't look bad when it's hanging. Tell me. Oh, that's better. I think we're going somewhere. Okay, this goes down, this goes up in a swirl. Okay, go away. I'll make a loop here. How am I gonna do that? Like this, with this thing, because it has this round parts here, and you can make a loop out of the wire. Oh, but I'm not making it because I have too much wire going on here. Maybe if I cut this off like this, maybe here. Whoops. Okay, get the two together and start bending them in a curve like this. It will push the head forwards, and I don't want that. Okay, so maybe ow, maybe I'll do this. Okay, and now I'm gonna close this loop and the other loop too. Okay, now I got two loops here. I don't know why, but I do. But so I'm gonna open this again and pass this through the loop. Okay. Close this. And now for the finishing touches, I'm gonna close this here. Grab his legs and do this. Okay, and then cut the excess wire, but leave a little bit, like a centimeter or so. Oh, where did it go? I don't know. And now I'll bend these parts inside so they don't stick out and maybe hurt the one who's wearing it, and we don't want that, right? So let's make a little effort here. Go inside. No, not there. wrong hole. Okay, now we're getting there. Okay, push it in there. I don't like this. What does it look like? Oh my god, between his legs. Okay, let's push it in. Put this in. If I had a hammer, a little small hammer, I don't know if I can hammer this like this. No, I'm not doing anything to him. Oh, okay, let's go. Well, I think it's bearable. Why are you looking back? Never look back. The way is forward, huh? Let me see how you look. Oh my god, it looks, you're an astronaut and you're in space. Woohoo! Yes, you are. A duck note. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Well, I'm done for today. Here's my yellow stuff, the yellow stuff I made. I made this birdie, necklace birdie, for my younger daughter because she doesn't have her ears pierced. She doesn't want to. This is for my older daughter, or even myself if she lends it to me. A car earring, and these are my artist earrings that I made for her because she loves yellow. I grabbed all this yellow stuff I had. Three different yellows. Okay, easy jewelry with old stuff that you have around the house. Hope you like it. Well, I love this.
And there you go. Like I said, I hope you liked it. I enjoyed it so much. Even the fighting with the duck, it was all good because I finally won, you know. I love a good fight. And if you do some of this stuff there in your house, please let me know. I would love to see that. Thanks for watching, guys. I really loved your company. Come back with me for other creative and art stuff. Please check out my other videos. Hope you like them also. Give them a like and please subscribe, hit the bell and whatever all the things we have to do nowadays in YouTube. Just do that for me and I'll be so happy. Thank you. Stay safe, guys, really. I love you all and see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, just a post-production note. Look just how cute is that. I'm in love, really. Bye-bye.